it. Just beat it. Oh, he's spinning. They said spinning ain't winning. Man, he ain't putting no marshmallows in there. Oh yeah, man, this, oh man, boy, wait till I get back to Yello Belly and tell them, man, XRP selling hot chocolate for $1, man. What's up with it? Boy, he holding that thing. That's right. That's how you do it, man. See Joel? You don't do it like that, Joel. What's up with it, man? I just noticed that they was selling some hot chocolate for $4 damn. Now they know better than that, man. They better. I'm gonna tell them something. Wait until I get back to Yello Belly. Y'all. Got Galen steady gluing the track down. Y'all hear it working. Hey, boy, I can't drink. Boy, I want some right now though. Man, I was at Yello Belly, y'all. I had to pay $4 for a cup of things. Talking about because they putting the whipped cream on it and the peppermint. Hey, I ain't getting no cherry or nothing, man. Then they hooked me up, took $1 off, only charged me $3. I appreciate it, but still, what? Do you supposed to be thankful in that situation? Hey man, look man, let me tell you what happened. I went to Yello Belly, I wanted some hot chocolate. They said $4. I said, God damn. I said, all right, check it out, man. I'm gonna work it out. Since you our boy, we're gonna do you $3. I said, you know, I said, yeah, right, man. So, yeah, man. Do I supposed to be thankful that they went down for me?
They want to give it to you, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you always on there.
Yeah.
They want to give it to you.
Man,
I went down $1.
I don't even get in free or nothing.
I'm gonna go home.
Says, buddy.
What's that charge for the hot chocolate here?
The hot chocolate here, $1.
Shit, you want to talk about?
$1.
So we'll get your cousin on back to the house.
Yeah. $1. I'm gonna go back up there and tell them. Shit. Willie HD. Appreciate the follow. Whatever you did, man. Hey man, y'all came to make a full pass today? Yeah, okay. Look out, No Limit. I see him up in there. Y'all getting everything. Y'all made a full pass last pass?
No, it's spent from the...
It's spent. Where, right off the line or on out there? Look, watch out. He trying to holler at you. Oh. Sound like it big. Y'all think it's gonna spin or no full pass or what? What's y'all prediction on this one? Full pass or no full pass? Ah, he do got a little leak. Yeah, that's him. Oh. yeah, he right there. God damn. Man.
That's the way they
Damn. Yeah, he wasn't gonna make no full pass. He ain't get to do nothing but a burnout. He already having no problem. The checking. That water get up under your tire, you doing over 100 something miles an hour. You know what I'm talking about? I finally got to hit this hot chocolate for the first time. I think I caught a good job, Graham, man. And Crim, look at the track before you make a pass. Look at it. You do your burnout. He look again. He, I'm telling you, he's watching. You ain't gonna get away. Look out, look out. Who that in there, man? Oh, okay. Hey, I was looking at one of the old videos and I walked up on, what's his name? Ken? What's the other dude's name? Lil Ken? I don't know what his name is. He's the Asian dude. He was driving the car. Kenny. And I walked up to it and I thought I was looking for you or Oscar. I said, hey, man, you all right? What's your name?
You want to interview?
Yeah. I said, what? Man, I was confused. I didn't know who he was.
Damn.
He was like, but I know you. I was like, I'm a... Dang, y'all, I've been here an hour already. I forgot to tell y'all it was gonna do that.